We're now going to use a scoring method, which is scratching the surface of paper or making a line with a sharp object so that it is easier to fold. We're going to use some scissors that we don't open to cut with, but they have a nice point here. And the way you hold this is to open up your dominant hand, your drawing hand, and to start with your middle finger and your pointer finger and follow those to the palm of your hand. That's where the scissor holes should line up, right there. And then your pointer finger can control and line up with the actual scissors. You want to be up from the point, and then you are going to line up the ruler, and you're going to trace over the line that you drew. Now you want to make sure that this point right here is what is creating the indentation. So I always start vertical, so my hand is like upright, and then I'm going to angle toward myself. And then I'm going to use a medium pressure and trace over the line. Some of you may want to do part of the line and then hold the ruler, move your hand, and do the other part of the line. And then when you feel this, you should feel like a little texture, a little bump, so that when I roll this over, you can see a little crease. And that means you've scored just enough that it's really easy to fold on that line. If you have to force it, you probably need to rescore it. If you cut through the paper, next time not so hard. So either way, there's a lesson that's learned. And you could put tape on the inside of your folder if you were a little too strong. So I'm going to score the rest of the lines. And then I can check to see. And you can kind of see like a faint crease right here. So that looks like it's going to work. Barely had to put any pressure to fold it. And then one final line to score. Fold that. So now my lines are scored. I'm going to fold these in. I'm going to fold this up. And now this is what's going to be the pocket. So all I need you to do in large letters, no bigger than like 2 fingers tall, is to print your first name, last name, and period, and then your desk number. And you're done. And then you can leave this open and place it on the top of your class periods cubby number, so 4, 5, 6, or 7, or 1, 2, or 3.